I swear, I just saw this thing blink. I swear, that's my sister's. I'm going to bring it back. Okay, if you go to the starting, he kind of looks creepy. Kind of, really. And let's hope I don't get haunted. My sister will.